Hi everyone, thanks for joining us in the Science Year 2 DLP Unit 1 Scientific Skills. Okay, there are two types of scientific skills. One, science process skill, and number two, manipulative skills. Under the science process skill, we got observe, classify, measure, and use numbers. And the last one, communicate. Meanwhile, manipulative skill we are not going to discuss for today's lesson. Okay, science process skill, there are four. One is observe, or we call it observation. Number two, classify, or we can also call it classification. Measure and use numbers means you measure something, you use something to measure, and at the end you got the number, you can get the numbers, how many. And the last one, communicate. Okay, let us see what are these. Okay, as you can see, this is inside, same as inside your textbook. Okay, number one, observe. What is observe? Okay, when we observe, we are using 5 senses. One is our eye, our nose, our ears, our tongue, and our skin. Okay, as you know or have you learned in year 1, okay, eye for sight, nose for smell, tongue for taste, ear for hearing, and skin for touch. Okay, this picture is about a family. They are doing bread. They are making a bread. Okay, a mother with her son and her daughter. Okay. Okay, picture number 2, they are mixing the flour with salt, sugar, yeast, and water. Then knead the dough until it is smooth. Next, we cover all the dough with a clean wet towel and leave it for an hour. Okay, wow, the dough has risen. Let's put the dough in the oven. Okay. Wow, this bread smells nice. Don't touch the oven, the hot oven. Okay, ting. Mother, the timer has sound. Is the bread done? The bread tastes good. Yeah, the bread is soft and fluffy. Okay, here if we use our 5 senses, number 1, if we use our eye, what can we observe? Okay, look at here. We can see the dough had become bigger. They had risen. Okay, number 2, and here, okay, we use our nose for the smelling. Okay, that's why the boy say the bread smells nice. Okay, next we use our ear to hear. Okay, means he hear the ting sound. Then he asked her mother to go to see whether the bread have done. Okay, then he also using in this picture, the boys also using, okay, they say cannot use the hands to touch because it's hot. Here we use our skin to touch. This one, okay, we use our tongue to taste good. Okay, boys and girls, we have learned about observe. Let us do the activity in your activity book 1, page 1. Okay, observe a fruit. Okay, if you got a fruit in your house, just take out your fruit like orange, apple, kiwi, durian, rambutans, and so on. Okay, next, okay, when you take out the fruits, then you draw a fruit here inside this box. Okay, have you done drawing? Okay, now you color it. After you have done your drawing, then you can color it now. After that, you can write beside here. Okay, you can mix it. Okay, you can write here. After you can draw, okay, you can write inside here, apple. Okay, whether it's apple. Okay, if you don't know how to write apple, teacher have written down here. Apple. If you draw an apple, then you write here inside this box. Red box, apple. If you draw an orange, you just write an orange. Or if you draw a pear, just write here pear. Or you draw grapes, then you, after you drawing the grapes and color your grapes, then you write here grapes. If you draw a watermelon here, then you write down watermelon. If you draw some strawberries or strawberry, then you can written down here. Write down here. Thanks. Okay, then shape. What means shape? Okay, shape. You look at your drawing. Shape means in Malay means bentuk. What is the shape of your fruit? Okay, you can see whether it's round shape or oval. Okay, teacher also give you the choices here. You can choose here if you don't know how to spell. Or then you use your eye. Just now also shape. You use your eye. Okay, to see the shape, to observe the shape. Now you also same. You use your eye to see the color of your fruits, whether it's red, green, orange, yellow, purple. Okay, then you write down here. Okay. Now you look at the surface of your fruit. Okay, you touch. How you feel the surface? Okay, you must use your skin to touch it. Okay, when you touch it, you can know that if you draw an apple, okay, how is the surface? Okay, you can write down smooth for apple, orange, pear, grapes, watermelon. Or if you draw durian, yes, of course you cannot write down smooth. Okay, you can only write thorny. Okay, if you draw strawberry, okay, write down the surface rough. Okay, have you done? Okay, now smell. Okay, smell your fruit. Now you smell your fruit with your nose. Okay, what is the smell? Okay, you can choose here. Smell good, smell nice, or your fruit smell sweet. Okay, now you taste your fruit. Okay, use your tongue to taste whether it's sweet or sour. Okay, your choices. If you don't know how to write, teacher have written down here, then you can write down.